If you're tired of weeds popping up through your sidewalk or driveway cracks and making your yard look messy, let's talk about how to actually keep those stubborn plants away for good using weed killer and proper crack sealing. First off, you gotta hit those weeds when they're small, because once they get all big and bushy, it's way harder to get rid of them. Grab a good weed killer, make sure it says it works for cracks or hard surfaces, and spray it right along the edges, and inside the cracks where you see anything green poking through. Wait a couple days, then pull out any dead weeds so they don't just sit there looking gross. Once the area is dry and clean, sweep out dirt or leftover roots from the cracks with a stiff broom or even a screwdriver if you have to. Next, fill up those cracks with a quality crack sealer, which you can find at any hardware store. It's kind of like caulk for driveways, and it keeps new weeds from getting in. For bigger gaps, you might want to shove some sand in first, then put the sealer on top. Do this on a dry day so the stuff sets right. Oh, and keep an eye out every couple weeks, especially after it rains, so you can catch any new weeds before they get comfy. One of the biggest mistakes people make with sidewalk or driveway weed control is using just any old weed killer and expecting it to last forever. Most cheap sprays only kill what's there, but don't stop new weeds from sprouting, so always go for a product made for pavement cracks. Another super common issue is skipping the whole sealing step. If you just spray and walk away, weeds will be right back as soon as it rains or dirt blows in, so sealing up those cracks is crucial for lasting results. And finally, a lot of folks forget regular maintenance and only mess with the weeds once or twice a year, but keeping an eye on things every month with a quick check makes a huge difference in keeping your sidewalk or driveway clear and sharp looking. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding honest, local contractors super easy for homeowners who want their outdoor spaces to look great, connecting you with pros who actually know how to handle tough jobs like crack sealing and weed control. If you're a contractor looking for more clients and steady work, listing your business on BigHomeProjects.com helps you get discovered by people who really need your skills right in your area.